वास्कोचा आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदाक भाजपाची तिकेट मेळपाची आस्त लागी लागी मावळ्या। गोयट्या वाऱ्याचो अदमास घेत शुक्रारा ताणें भाजपाचेर टिकेचे फार पेटयले। वास्को ती मूळ काँग्रेसीची, तिका भाजपाच्या कामात आपणे बसयली, कार्लोस सांगता।
आल्मेदा सांगता जायत्या जाणांनी आपणा कडेन संपर्क केलो, पूण पक्षांतराचो आपणेय विचार केलो ना। आपल्याक जायत्या प्रकल्पांतल्यान कुशीक दवरपाचो यत्न जालो। आयकात ताका।
मुझे मीटिंग चल रहा है different wards. I'm asking my people what to do. So I'm taking my decision.
Sir, there is news that you could switch from the BJP to other party in case the time arrives. Is that true?
I'm not saying no to you. See, many people have met me because there are fillers in the party. See, there was person Mayan Satish. He's playing some different games. See, he's a player. I'm also a player.
So definitely,
We are in the field right now, cricket field. We are a player. We have to play the game. So now we are talking to me about politics.
so definitely there are going to be some surprises coming for Vasco very soon.
See, surprise is not no surprise. See, Vasco basically was not a BJP seat. Vasco was a Congress seat already. Vasco was Sheikh Hassan, Simon. See, it was their time. But then we have, आम्ही आलेकर टाइम जिंकवले बीजेपी. पत्ते फिल्पा उडेल पत्ते आता 10 वर्ष झाले बीजेपी दोनले समान झाले. It's not anybody's freedom.
But definitely all the councillors along with you are likely to switch to another party.
I will not talk about other people. I'm talking about myself. See, if I'm hurt, I'll have to repair the hurt. I'll have to have an operation. I feel that there was some game, some behind the scene move.
गोवा 365 खातीर वास्कोच्यान हिरू महाले।